In this video, we will show you how to insert image in Google Sheets. First, in here, we need to create blank spreadsheets, and you can give the spreadsheet name, for example, image. To insert image in Google Sheet, there are two methods. First, the image is inside the cell, and the second, the image is outside the cells. For the first, image inside the cells, just select insert here and choose image and select image in cell, and you can click browse. You can click open like this. Okay, the image inside the cells, you can just copy like general cell like this. Okay, you can see the image cannot select it. You can see the image cannot select it. But how if you click on the cell and right click and select image? Okay, if you select image, you can also put image over cells. Okay, this is the shortcut. With this method, you can resize the image. Okay, it's different with the image. If you insert inside the cell, the size is responsive based on the cell size. If you make the size of the cell is bigger like this, okay, the image is look bigger. Okay, you can see there. And also you can also insert image over the cell with a different method, with like this. This is also the same. Okay, this is the method to insert image over the cell or outside the cell. Okay, and I will show you, you can also moving this image, okay, inside the activate of the cell. If your cursor in here, you can just directly move this image into here. How to do that? In here, you can click three dot button icons here and select put image in selected cells. You can see. Wow. Okay, that's all. The all method how you can insert image on Google Spreadsheet. This step how you insert the image is impact how you can resize the image also in here. That's all tutorial how to insert image in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.